Russia's Bore-class submarine nightmare just pulled into port. Russia's Bore-class ballistic missile submarine were designed to replace aging Delta III and Typhoon-class boats, strengthening the country's nuclear deterrence. However, development has been slow, with post-Soviet economic struggles delaying production. While the Bore-class integrates advanced stealth and the powerful Bulava SSNX-30 SLBM, the missile itself has suffered repeated failures, hindering full operational capability. The newer Bore A-955A variant aims to improve reliability, but issues remain. As tensions with NATO rise, can Russia's most modern SSBMs truly compete with the U.S. Navy's Ohio-class and upcoming Columbia-class submarines? Bore-class, Russia's most advanced nuclear submarine, still faces major problems. The Bore-class is the fourth-generation nuclear-powered missile submarine produced in Russia and designed to replace the Cold War-era Delta III and Typhoon-class submarines eventually. Its function is to be a central component in the nuclear deterrent strategy of the Russian Navy. The design of the Bore was also the first class submarine to be developed in Russia since the end of the Soviet era. The program first began in 1996 and was originally designated as Project 935. But, like many projects within the Russian defense industry during this period, its development was slowed by the collapse of the post-Soviet economy. During this time, many former USSR defense enterprises were forced to lay off large numbers of staff, leaving a fair amount of empty office space. That office space was, at the time, some of the best available in any major Russian city. The defense sector had occupied a privileged position in the Soviet economy, and the industry of creating commercial office buildings and business centers was still far in the future. The Rubin Marine Equipment Design Bureau, SKBMT, where the Bore-class was designed, is located in Russia's former capital, St. Petersburg. During this period of the 1990s, a colleague of mine from Moscow visited this facility to interview a design bureau official for an article he was writing. At the time, he described, all but one or two floors of this massive office building were rented out to commercial companies because the Rubin Design Bureau needed the rental income to be able to pay the personnel they still had working at the bureau and designing submarines. Like so many other defense companies at the time, salaries could go months without being paid due to massive government revenue shortfalls. Project name change. The project name was later changed to Project 955 and the design altered to permit the boat to carry and fire a new submarine-launched ballistic missile, the SLBM Bulava SSNX-30, in place of the R-39UTTH Bark missile project. The construction cost for this first boat was estimated at US $713 million and based on an R&D budget of $280 million. The first in this redesignated class was the Yuri Dolgoruki, which had been planned for launch in 2002 but was delayed until 2008. The 2008 launch was followed by sea trials that began in 2009. This first Bore-class sub was then accepted into service only in January 2013.